Hello, ma'am. I'm Salman. I'm from C section. I will be discuss on topic automata using the Catalan Studio for GM Insta application. Our topic is on the testing the each or the already made software or website working correctly or not. Let's introduce the scenario or my topic. Hello ma'am, I am Salman. I am from C section and I will be discuss on the topic automata testing using Catalan Studio for GM Insta application. Uh, this is the website or a app that is checking the whether our application or software running correctly or not. Using the Catalan, we can easily predict or check whether our application like we have using the GM Insta application in our project. So let's check our GM Insta is running successfully or it's wrong or it's not working properly. So before I start, I will give a quick introduction on the Catalan. Software testing means checking whether a software or website working correctly or not. In this project, Catalan Studio was used to automatically test a web application called GM Insta. I have already told that we have using a GM Insta that I have been already created a website named called GM Insta. Just I'm checking my Insta running properly or not. I have some scenarios. The test scenarios for Catalan for testing. It's maybe like my login page is working very well or my register are working well and my profile and my post and my feed. These are the test scenarios I want to check in my Catalan app that shows its test scenarios running properly or not. It's help us to know that any problems, any errors occurs in this five or six overview of our project. This is the main overviews. The project involves the main application. So let's move on to the next login modules. Now I coming to the login modules. Login modules check whether the user can log in successfully. Objectives, a register user should log in using correct username or password. It ensures that a user login using the correct password, username, etc. And also expected result, a user goes to the dashboard home page successfully. As I told you that if you using Instagram, the user after login, he wants to have a message section, feed section and profile section. If it's yes, it in our scenario status will be passed. If it's working in our Instagram, then our scenario cases is passed. If we use the if you use the register. Then coming to the profile, the profile test scenario verifying the profile page functionality. Let's checking the profile is working very well or not, ensuring that user profile information is displayed correctly. As I told that the bio and also the profile picture wants to be displayed properly. The expected result user details such as a name. As I told you that if you want to change the name, it will be easily changeable, and email and profile and information are visible or accurate. If it's running properly, then our status will be passed by the our test scenario. Then coming to the fourth test scenario, the post module. The test scenario will be verify the post creation functionality. It just checking the post are posting very well or it's having some errors, it taking the time or having some errors during the post. So it ensures that the user can create and publish the post successfully. Then our expected result will be passed or our status will be shows as a passed. The test scenario will be going to be passed. The new post is created and displayed successfully, then our result will be going to be passed. Next, the coming to the test scenarios, the login module of verifying that a registered user can log in with valid candidates. As I told you that having a valid email and also password. Open application, enter the valid username and password, click on the login button. As I told that user should be successfully log in and log out, and also the status shows the password. The register module also verify that a new user can register successfully. If you using a new Instagram for the first time and I'm a new user to the app, I have to be login and my login will be successfully without any errors. So opening the registration page and valued user details, clicking on the register button, so expected output is passed. If our app is taking my register password and the display showing the correct, enter your email and also the password, then our status shows the password. Then coming to the profile module, as I told that profile wants to be show the name and details and some another information, has a name as a bio, and the test scenario, log in the application, navigation to the profile page, view the profile details, expected output, user information such as a name, email and profile details should be displayed correctly. Our status going to be passed, then our scenario is going to be passed. As I told that the post module also do the same, wants to be uploaded successfully without any errors. There are multi users, they can post their reels, and if our app is doing very well, it performing, so the post should be created and successfully then displaying in the application, then going to be pass, passed. Then coming to the overall result, all the test cases passed successfully means then the login status shows the passed, then TC. The second test case ID register going to be passed, the third passed, and post passed, feed passed. I have all the five test case ID, that all modules having their own like login, register, profile, post, vote, and the state are going to be passed in my app. So this is the output screenshots. Here the login page have been successfully passed the scenario. So the our login page is default, not it's working very well in the login scenario. It's logging the multiple users, showing the correct way to log in, and it's working well. So register page, it also helps to the user to come and log in very well without any delays, errors, and new user can perform very well task on the register, so he can easily log in, it having the login and also the password and email are in ID. So our register page also going to be passed. Then the as well as the profile also showing the passing message, profile also doing it as well, the profile showing the pictures and also the profile running successfully, all the other user and the user viewing the profile pictures of the friends and their own, so profile is working very well. So our scenario passes the profile scenario. And then coming back to the posters, the posters also running very successfully in our app. The posters are uploaded and getted displayed to the others, and also uploading is very fast without any delays. It working on the post section or a scenario very well. So our Catalan has passed the post scenario. Then coming to the feed has also having the same scenario. It also going to be passed because feed going very well, has showing the features of the our Insta very well. The user can experience very better in the better way. So the Catalan has passed the feed. Coming to the conclusion part, the Catalan Studio automation testing project was successfully completed. Login, register, profile, post, and feed modules of the application automated test cases were created and executed to verify the functionality of the each module. The test cases execute the showed that all test cases passed successfully without any failure of the default. The application performed according to the expected requirements, ensuring the reliability and accuracy. This project demolished the efficiency of the automation testing in reducing the manual effect, improving the test coverage, and increasing the test efficiency. Overall, the application is functionally correctly and ready for the future testing and development. and thank you. Now I will show the how my test cases are running very well. So this is my Catalan. Before I going to my Catalan, I have my I will show my Catalan. This is the Catalan application, or this is the interference. So let's I have been already running the Instagram behind this Catalan. So I just having the test cases, and I will run every test cases, and let's check my test cases are running properly or not. I just want to touch on the test cases. So test cases. Now let's try new test cases. Test cases I will name as my profile. Profile. A profile. I check my profile is running successfully or not. I will press OK. I'm checking my profile is going running or well or not by the Catalan test scenario on the profile. After coming to the test profile, I will just now I will just I go to the my current link that already my application was running behind the Chrome. I have used the browser Chrome, and the URL I have pasted that my I have a application that has known as the GM Insta that I have already mentioned that. Now I have the link I want to be checked as a profile. Now I will start recording. I will trying to check my application running well or not. So uh, I will just checking my profile test scenario is running well or not. The way the user can easily use my app, that they cannot issue any problems. So here the result is passed. So my GM Insta profile is running successfully. There is no any default errors running on the profile. After login, my profile is running successfully. My profile will be shown very well in the well structure, like profile, my DP, my informations, and also the another bio, my posters. So my test scenario passes the profile that running successfully, that already. The next let's try one more test case. Now I will try on my login page. Let's try on login page. So I already have been running the application behind it. So now I am checking my login page is running successfully or not. It's helping the user to log in very easily, or any facing any issues, or my app login page having any errors. Let's check it. So you have seen the result. The test cases has been passed. So my here also showing that the test case login page has been successfully running. The scenario on the test case of login page is running successfully. So my login page also working well, my feed also working well, and also my profile also working well. So my project or my application of the Insta GM Insta is running successfully. Also, I have used the curtain to check whether my application running successfully or not. So the result has shown that the feed, the login page, the profile also running very well, and the Insta application running very well. So here I end my video. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.